Hello and welcome to a new morning briefing video presented by Stein Investments. In today's video, I'd like to speak about the importance of the retail volume information FX volume provides and what it tells us about the health or stability of the Forex market, which we can see right now very clearly. So this morning we are facing a massive reduction in trading positions overall, and this is mostly related to the massive reduction in euro trading positions. We can see it's been minus 10.4% during the last hour, and this is already on the recovery side, so it has been already way more around the beginning of the London trading session. This is probably a result of the elections that happened yesterday in Germany and the result of this election, which makes it currently a bit unclear when we'll have a stable government, and Germany is usually named as the engine of the European economy, and so this affects the European economy pretty massively and leads to some insecurity for traders, for retail traders that are closing their positions, and this leads to massive changes in the net long volume, as you can see right here. But all this is only a reaction to the trade close operations that happened this morning, and so these are no stable conditions for us to trade, because there is no demand for a specific currency, because there have been some good news and people are interested to buy or to sell or whatever, to invest in this currency. In this case, we just see people reduce the risk, close their trades, and this is, as we observed it over the years we are already working with FX volume, a massive sign of uncertainty and leads to pretty erratic moves. I'll have a pretty good example for a breakout strategy trade, which is usually a breakout strategy trade, but not today. As we can see, we have a breakout here to the downside, but the price already reversed. It's currently completely unclear in which direction the market will move, and we will see the same if we move over to the currency overview. So now we get a complete picture of the market. You see the euro is going down massively. British pound is undecided, Canadian dollar is undecided, US dollar as well. Swiss franc is dropping massively. Japanese yen is currently dropping, but it's still undecided. Aussie dollar as well, and New Zealand dollar is slightly on the buy side of the scale. So all in all, it's a pure mess, in my opinion. There is nothing attractive to trade, which makes this video a bit shorter than usual, because there is no pair to pick, and I highly recommend everyone to wait until the dust has settled, until the market stabilizes, which we will see once the total volume starts to rise again. This will probably lead a few hours, and maybe it needs the New York session today to provide a bit more clarity in which direction the market will move. But right now there is, in my opinion, absolutely nothing to trade or to be worth to risk any money on it. So let's have a look at our non-Forex symbols, how the situation is there. You can see Bitcoin is neutral with some slight upwards dynamic and supported by this massive support cluster. So maybe it will go a bit to the upside. Oil is still in a downtrend on the long term. We can see it's currently ranging for almost the entire day. This was the start of this week's trading session, and you can see there is no movement at all. So yeah, Dow Jones is in a medium downtrend, but currently more on the opposite side. Please keep in mind this is pre-market. We'll see the real intention of the market once New York opens in a few hours. And in the German DAX, you'll see it started with a gap to the upside, rose pretty quickly, then dropped to this support level, went back up. It's completely unclear what will happen next. We have already a range of 132%, so in my opinion, that's nothing to be traded today. So yeah, that's it. It's really not the best start of the week. You have to be patient, otherwise you will probably lose money on unstable trading setups, and so it's best to wait until the market gets back to normal and then start picking up the opportunities the market will present you. That's it. I hope it's been helpful, and I'm looking forward to the next videos I provide during this week. Thanks for your attention. See you and bye bye.